Today we'll show you how to kick member from your group. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to search and open your WhatsApp application and go to your group. And now if you want to kick, just go here to 3 points and sorry guys, hey, to 3 points and info the group first. And now put it down, and you will be find this is peoples in your group. Just click the people you want to be kick in. Just click and you will be like this only, guys. One second, just like this. And like this supreme, okay, like supreme or kick. Click and a kick, and finally it is now kicking from this group. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.